Hello friends, welcome to my video. Hope you all were fine. In this video, we discuss about custom built emails and their importance for email marketing. Let's start our video. Come to my Google screen. Advantages of custom built email in email marketing. Simplicity: if you have an email address for a specific domain, it is easier for people to contact you. Credibility: people are more likely to interact with a custom email address, website, or organization. Leadership: consistency, personalization. How to get custom email domain? What are custom emails? The name of your brand or website domain that used to generate email address for your company instead of using email provider generic name. For example, a custom email domain can be used to create email address in the format. What is the advantages of email? Emails are delivered extremely when compared to the traditional post. Emails can be sent 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Webmail means emails can be sent and received for any computer anywhere in the world. Now we see advantages having a custom email address for your business. Many people have asking us to make a custom email for business with a unique address. Using a generic email address, you have believed it node could be hurting your business significantly. The advantages of having a custom built email: the first advantage is that brand recognition. On second number, we have more credibility, impossible to impersonate, business consistency, easy personalization, demonstrate leadership, simplicity, flexibility, security, 10 full control of your emails. What is the security? How can custom built email provide a security? The security of your business matters a lot. So getting a custom email make it even more difficult for scammer to use email scam to spoil your business name as address based on your own domain name. What is the flexibility between custom built emails? Custom email proved to be a more flexible. Is that since you own the domain, even when changing email address, you can have the old email switching to the new address. What is the simplicity of custom built emails? Most often with the generic email provider, getting a simple name address is difficult as all the simple address are already taken, but with your own custom email, getting a simple name address is easy and very much possible. Now we see what is hosting: personal web hosting, business web hosting, game server hosting, WordPress, premium, private blog hosting. These are the different types of hosting. If you want to create a website, marketing, home, domain, and here ready to use versus custom email template. Decoding the pros. Email design is a vital aspect of your email marketing campaign success. Many email marketers tend to take the creative liberty. Email design is a vital aspect of your email marketing campaign success. Many email marketers tend to take the creative liberty of optioning for a ready to use email template and getting it custom designed. Custom email template: the price are one but worth the cost. If your brand is not one of those who love the set themselves, This is the template of custom built email. Pros: visually attractive as the authentic email design, customized and trial made. Scope of marketing the email interest. You can make a one of or reusable template. Cons: more number of more involved, increased turnaround time, overall cost is high, not suitable for last month email campaigns, ready to use. Wrapping up, email template are a lot like get you can get a ready to use suit from a thrift store down the road to get a custom tailored. Both shall service the same purpose, but the elegance and fitting shall be evident in the later one. Calvin George. Calvin is the head of marketing of Email Applers, one of the fastest growing email design and coding campaigns. He loves gadgets, bikes, jazz, and breathes. Magician who loves the engage, share insight with fellow marketers, and enjoy sharing is throughout the latest email marketing. Email template productions transform your requirement into visually appealing and high converting email. Email operations support, dedicated resource team, digital assets. These are the some advantages of email marketing. Custom built emails. What are three advantages of custom built email? Email is a free tool. Email is a quick. Email is the simple, allow for easy referencing. Email is accessible for anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Email is a paperless and therefore beneficial for the planet. What are the advantages of communication? Building trust, preventing or resolving problems, providing clarity, creates a better relationship, increase engagement, improve productivity, promote team building. 7 benefit of effective communication in personal. What are the com- advantages of communication method? Written advantages, permanent record, messages, overall advantage, body language advantages, visual advantages, and many more. These are all the advantages of custom built email. Hope you learn much from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and we shall meet in